something to drink. Y'all, this is crazy. Listen, I'm speechless. This, I don't know what to tell y'all. Y'all go get y'all one of these so y'all can feel what I'm feeling. Just put it straight on 100. Put your driving settings in sport mode. Don't floor it. Just tap it. Barely. Just. So right now I'm editing a video. As y'all can see, this is what I edit on Adobe Premiere Pro. I finalized in my custom settings, but that's not what this video is about. Right here, this is what this video is about. My package came in. I have my new pedal box from NoThrottleLag.com. I use HEMI Life's promo code and I got like, I think it was $25 off. So I'm getting ready to head outside, open the box, and see what it does. First, I'm gonna let y'all look at it. This is what it looks like. Pedal control pedal box. When you open it, this is how it looks. They got that bag secured. And this is how the new pedal box looks. I got my old pedal box and I'm gonna show y'all how it looks. If just in case y'all haven't seen him in life's video where he showed it, I'm about to show y'all what the old looks like. So this right here is the old pedal box. When I got in the wreck, the impact was so hard that it knocked it off where it was mounted at and it messed up the wires. This is what the end of the cords look like on the old pedal box. And I think they look the same on the new one. Yeah, because they have to be hooked up to your pedal. So I'm gonna get ready to go to the car and we were about to get this on and see how this feels. So this is the website right here. You can scan the code on the box. It'll take you straight to this website. And it tells you how to do it. Also, just in case it's your first time using the pedal box and you don't know how to install it, it tells you it's just simple. Plug and play. Y'all listen, after I got everything connected up, y'all, when I say barely tapping the pedal, I mean barely tapping the pedal. Yeah. So me being me, just like I did on my previous pedal box, I went on here to turn it up to the highest setting. Listen, when I first turned it on, it wasn't nothing impressive. I guess it had to take a few seconds to kick in, but listen, it caught me off guard. It is so responsive. Like whenever they say they barely tapping the pedal in the video, literally they barely tapping it. But like I said, I got it on 100% everything, and my car in sport mode. Yo, I'm barely tapping it. Yeah. This is crazy. I want to put it in trap mode. Let me go on. Let me go down another mode. I want to enjoy this first before I make a video. I need y'all to see this. This is crazy, y'all. This is crazy, y'all. This is crazy. I'm gonna have to. Oh, let me see. I only got up to 20 miles. Listen. my speed was only 20. That's it. Get y'all the pedal box. Something to drink, y'all. This is crazy. Listen, I'm speechless. Listen, I don't know what to tell y'all. Y'all go get y'all one of these so y'all can feel what I'm feeling. Just put it straight on 100. Put your driving settings in sport mode. Don't floor it. Just tap it. Barely. Just. I'm not about to have myself up here looking like a fool, so I need to get somebody else in the car so y'all can see their reaction. So y'all won't think that I'm, being extra. Because, I thought other people was being extra in the videos, but nah. They not. Listen, I'm gonna have to finish this video with somebody else in the passenger seat, so y'all can really see this. This is crazy. I'm about to head to a car meet though. This is crazy. Just tapping it.
They do it. They do it. They do it. They do it. They do it. They do it.
Crack God made it.
Put the ball on the T9 with rockin' the buddy. Been jogged the ports, man, cause that was thuggin'. Pressing the ear so this shit can get ugly. Hit the boat with the yacht, got him holding his stomach. Out through the hood with the blick on me. Said, whole boom.